Good morning, all of you. Welcome back in the new academic session, and with the new videos, we are going to learn many of the things from the videos. And I am your English teacher of grade 5th, Riddhi Adhikari. Yes, so we will see many of the poems, and we will make it this subject, English and English grammar, very interesting. That I hope you will make it interesting also, and you will learn it very nicely from me. If you have any doubts, you can solve it in the online lectures. Yes, so today with a new chapter, new poem of our unit 1, we'll start with the poem number 1. Our poem number 1 is Ice Cream Men, and it's written by Rachel Field. Yes, so we will do some summary that what's about the ice cream man. Yes, I know students you like the ice cream very much. Yeah, of course, I also like it very much. Yes, who don't like the ice cream? Everyone likes the ice cream very much, right? So because of this situations, we are not meeting each other physically, but mentally we are there with you. Only mentally and physically we hope that the situation gets over very nicely, and we all get again physically, we will meet physically in the next year, upcoming year. Yes, so let's start, begin with our new poem number 1, Ice Cream Man. So do the summary. What is the summary about the ice cream man? What the ice cream man tells? Yeah, in this poem, the poet is trying to describe that how the ice cream man feels when he sells his feelings is sharing in this poem. He is sharing his feelings, how he feels while selling the ice cream, different types of ice creams, how the children gets cluster around him. Yes, as the honeybees cluster around the beehives. Yes, it's like that there are many types of ice creams. Yes, many kinds of ice cream, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. There are different kinds of drinks also that gives us the refreshment when we get very come from anywhere. हम अगर कहीं धूप से आ रहे हैं तो we get आइसक्रीम मैन के पास ड्रिंक्स भी होते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स के, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, वाइट और pink. Yes, so that's something about that. They are describing with the rose, flowers, sweet peas, honeybees. They are describing his cart with it. And with his cart, with his little cart, the ice cream man goes here and there in that blaze of heat, that much of heat. From that, he goes here and there. Yes, for there, here I have given you the summary of the poem. Yes, but before that, we will know something about the Rachel Field. Who was she? First of all, she is a female. So, who was she? How many poems she has written? How did her biography and all the things we will see in about her. We will know something about the poet Rachel Field. So let's know something. We will see, as I told you, I will give you the information about the Rachel Field of poem 1, Ice Cream Man. Let's see what, as you can see the picture of Rachel Field. Rachel Lemon Field was an American novelist, poet, and children's fiction writer. She is best known for the Newbery Award winning Hitty. Her first 100 years, Field also won a National Book Award, Newbery Award, Honor Award, and 2 of her books on the Lewis Carroll Shelf Award list. Yes, so this was where what award did he got? She had got also a National Book Award, Newbery Award. That time she was best known for it. She is a novelist also. She write the novels and the poet for the children's, what the children feels actual. And she's a fiction writer also, right? And where did he born? Yes, where did he born? Born on 19 September 1894, New York, United States, means US. Yes, and died on 15th March 1942, Los Angeles, California, United States. Now, the notable awards at Newbery Award what year did she got at 1930 and National Book Award on 1935. And children, she was having one children only, Hannah. Yes, and she had also written as she was a writer, children's fiction writer. She had written for the movies also scripts. She has written all this, and then Heaven to Now Tomorrow, Time Out of, and many of them. There are the list. Now we will see the explanation of the chapter poem. Yes, as in the poem there are the stanzas, we call it stanzas. As in the stories that we call the paragraphs. Yes, so here in the poem there are 4 stanzas in your book. Yes, in Marigold textbook there are 4 stanzas of your book. Okay, and there the first para, there is a first stanza I have written here, and you have to take your pencil with you. Yes, and take the hard words, new words given, and the words, the meaning of that also. You should know the meaning also. So let's see. Let's read the stanza first. When summer is in the city and breathes a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Yes, so what they are trying to say? Here in the first line, I will explain you it line by line what they are trying, what the poet is describing us. Yes, when summer is in the city. जब summer होता है, when there is a summer in our city, in our country, at that time, and breathes a blaze of heat means blaze here. Just underline this word, students. Blaze. Blaze. What is the meaning of blaze? Here the blaze. What is the meaning of blaze? Bright, flame or fire. Bright flame or fire. So blaze means जो कड़कती धूप होती है उस टाइम में, वो कैसे डिस्क्राइब, वो कैसे फील करता है तब इतनी कड़कती धूप में भी वो आइसक्रीम सेल करने जाता है. He sells in that much of heat also. Breaks a blaze of heat means bright flame and of fire. Of fire means आग की तरह गर्मी होती है समर के टाइम, राइट? सो दैट एंड द आइसक्रीम मैन विद हिज लिटिल कार्ट. लिटिल कार्ट, कार्ट मीन्स यू नो वो जो उसका साइकिल के साथ वो आइसक्रीम लेके जाता है, उसके ऊपर अम्ब्रेला होती है, राइट? उसको धूप से बचाती है. यहाँ से फ्रॉम वन स्ट्रीट टू अनदर, फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस ही मूव्स विद हिज लिटिल कार्ट. इन दैट वेरी मच ऑफ हीट, दैट एक्सेसिव हीट, इतनी हीट में भी, इतनी गर्मी में भी वो अपना कार्ट लेके दूसरे स्ट्रीट से वन स्ट्रीट टू अनदर स्ट्रीट वो घूमता है, राइट? वो ट्रंडलिंग डाउन द स्ट्रीट. ही ट्रंडलिंग, यस, द अनदर वर्ड trundling. What is the meaning? You have to underline this. So what is the meaning of trundling? Trundling. Trundling means moving on small broad wheels. जो उसके कार्ट में जो पहिए होते हैं, जो व्हील्स होती है उसकी कार्ट, उसकी जो वैगन है, उसमें जो उसका कार्ट होता है, दैट ही मूव्स विद दैट ट्रंडलिंग हियर एंड देयर. ऐसे मूव करते 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 वो एक स्ट्रीट से दूसरे स्ट्रीट में जाता है आइसक्रीम को सेल करने, राइट? सो नाउ वी विल सी द second stanza. So let's see. We will see the second stanza of this poem. Yes. So let's see. First read the poem. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Yes, what they are trying to say. Yes, beneath his round umbrella. Beneath means under the umbrella. What is the meaning of beneath? Means under. Yes, beneath means under his umbrella, under his round umbrella. You can see the picture given on in your textbook on page number 2. Yes, so there beneath round the umbrella, what a joyful sight. Oh, what a joyful sight. What a beautiful scenery we can see under the umbrella. To see him fill the cones with mounds. To see him fill the cones with mounds. So here the another meaning is, you have to underline this word mounds. So what they are trying to say, that to see, they are seeing the children, the another people, and the poet is describing that how the ice cream man is feeling the cone. Yes, we eat a cone. Yes, in that he feels with a mound. So what is the meaning of mound? Let's see. Yes, mound means heap or pile. Heap or a pile means to keep the things on one upon one. Means एक के ऊपर एक चीज रखना, mountains की तरह बनाना, एक pile बनाना, pyramid बनाना. That is called a mound. So he filled the cones with the different flavors of ice cream on the cone. Yes. Of cooling brown and white. Of cooling means of different flavors of brown, of white, different colors of flavors. He filled the cones with that flavors. Yes. Now we will see the third stanza of the poem, the fourth stanza. So let's see. So let's read it. His cart might be a flower bag of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. Yes. It is a sweet peas. Yes. So his cart might be a flower bed. So what the poet is trying to say, that his cart, the ice cream man's cart, be a flower bed full of flowers spreaded on his cart. Of roses and sweet peas, of roses, of different colors of roses and sweet peas, the flowers. Yes. The way the children cluster around. Yes, the way the children cluster around means as the people, as the children likes the ice cream very much, like that only. What is the meaning of a cluster? Here the new word is cluster, means the children's cluster around the ice cream man for having a ice cream. So what is the meaning of cluster? Cluster means to gather around. Together around means together, to be a together, to be together around anything. किसी के आसपास घेर लेना किसी को. Yes, to cluster as thick as honey bees. As the honey bees also get clusters around their beehives, like that only the children also get stuck around the ice cream man to have a different flavors of ice cream. Yes. So here students, we have seen the four stanzas of the poem. So I hope you all have understood it very nicely. So go through this video thoroughly and read this poem again and again for your reading practice. So we will meet next time with a new video. Thank you and have a nice day.